Starting the vlog a bit late today, but riding down to Bentley Pit Top, going camping there tonight with Michael, Joe and Eugene. I had a vlog which I wanted to do last time about camping, but my phone broke so it never got uploaded. But it's going to be good anyway. Michael's flying on my 60-year-old road bike. Get some rate speed. If you want to buy it, mail me for inquiries. cheatbox@gmail.com. It's fast as out. Riding out to Michael's now so we can get his stuff. He's gone. Joe, you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm sending my thingy.
Eugene,
yeah,
you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
No. I'm taking dog with me. Walking down to where we're camping now.
Pussy, this is uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable with them straps that roll up and then just dig into you. Don't video me when I'm speaking without me knowing.
Shut up. Joe, you're wearing jeans. You're wearing jeans to go camping. To shop now with Joe to get some food. And then going to meet Eugene and Michael.
Bear Grill style.
Yep. Walking down now, got some food and drink. Some sausages to cook.
Some explosives.
Yeah.
Stole a load of lighters from the shop. Just got chased for about a mile.
Yeah, I know.
By that Indian guy.
Knackered. Stuff, isn't it, Jack? Eugene, you're riding it. Getting driven by a 9-year-old. Eugene, you happy? Yeah.
What's top loop?
This monster, this 9-year-old, going 200 miles per hour.
He's the best driver I've seen. Hey.
Got fire going.
Huh?
Buy the squad off you.
Very fucking lucky.
Yeah, oh, what walking that way now?
That guy now is.
Yeah, one of that few people might buy it. That quad.
It was on internet, that, you know.
What? Get it on, just so look, we've been. Oh, am I on the covered now?
Yeah.
How much?
What we can buy.
Grand.
Buy at our camping trips.
Off Nigel, if you don't know him, you're not good enough.
Taxi's gone.
You're not dead!
No.
He's thrown the thing in.
What?
I thought he'd thrown the thing in.
The what?
The explosive.
This?
I've
You
sprained
can
my
actually
ankle.
see it glowing all the stars on your bed.
I've sprained my ankle.
Someone needs to get that.
Just done it.
Glue in the dark bed, what a
All
pussy.
because of Chi. I had to run away with my tinfoil.
Joe's food cooking.
What have you done, Cole?
Mine cooking there.
Show my food! What is doing?
Michael hasn't put his in yet.
Mine
I hate
cooking
you.
nicely
Where's yours?
under that
I
log.
hate you, Chi.
Cooking nicely under there.
You ruined my day.
In the hot ashes.
Them
Steak.
defrosted. What are you putting my pants? That's the L2 cartridge.
And it's on fire.
Alright. You can put a stick or something.
That's just shit on your finger.
Michael, I don't know how your homosexuality works. I don't want you touching.
I tried to achieve it.
Michael all again, please.
Shut up, Joe.
Which tells the people what I think about gays. There's one solution. A big hole, put them in it, a nice big tank of petrol, and watch them flames. And that's gays sorted.
Shit.
Dude, you'd be in a hole.
Yeah. And you'd probably be trying to rape me if you had some strength.
Wagwan! You do.
I'm like a polecat. I run through the woods and then.
You actually have just disappeared. And Eugene's following.
Oh no. You got one! It's another crying. This is another crying moment.
He's a rider.
Oi!
He's a rider.
Opportunity.
Whoa!
Oi! Opportunity to wedge you.
He's a rider.
Wedge you.
Any second now he can lash out of my throat.
Michael, look.
She's a rider.
Ah!
She's a rider. She's a rider.
God save me!
Make him slap.
I need to lock his mouth closed. Any second now he can lock out right in my throat. Come on, Joe. You just tie the legs up.
Tie that leg.
You be quiet. Be quiet.
All I've done for you.
Make a wish.
I won't come back, y'all!
I'll take your meat.
No, you won't. Pulling a big tree along.
Running the tree to tree.
Never touch that bacon now.
You're sleeping there, G.
I know.
What?
I know.
Oh, plenty of that green stuff. Need to break.
Just took my sausages out of the...
Around there.
Cooked alright then. Gonna eat them now. Can't really see much. Got ketchup on it now. About to...
Got ketchup on it. Oh, that's a right interesting subject.
Yeah, I'm telling him how I've cooked my sausages and I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna munch on them.
Is this sausage?
I'm gonna vlog myself eating them.
Sausage muncher. Have a willy.
Stated them.
Camping. Cheese eating his sausage sandwich. Get on, son. Get on, son. Got a big fire going. We're all good in the hood. Get on, son. Got the fire.
Throw some of that green stuff on that fire now, loads of it.
Right, Sergeant Mike.
Wait there.
Eugene, if yours is out like your
Big fire.
Got help on, mate. You got tennis shoes.
What, long?
Mark, log that fire.
No, not long.
It's long, innit?
long compared to your body, they are.
Michael's joint of beef.
Crusty stuff. Cooked.
To perfection.
Oi, I found a way I can run.
Joe, shut up.
You can't run.
You enjoyed that, Michael?
Nah, mate, needs more.
This one's not bad.
Oh my goodness.
I've got some metal wire, which can be handy.
Go on, Eugene, show him. I mean, Joe.
You got that from a burnt out car, Joe?
Yeah, so what?
All rusty metal.
It's not rusty,
Stick your
look.
sausages through it.
It's not rusty, it's quite clean. See what I mean?
You don't want to race tomorrow?
Hello, children. Would you like to buy an ice pop? Just come with me into my van.
What are you doing, you? Gee, what's your speaker called? I'll connect to it.
Wagwan boys, sleeping outside like bad man.
Unconnect to it then.
I will in a sec.
No, you will now. Gee's gonna get on Michael's shoulders. He's gonna think he's a massive man and we're gonna scare Joe. It's 1:30 in the morning.
Right, you ready, G?
Let's get to that truck. We're too shining light over here.
Try to get some sleep now. Sleeping outside next to the fire.
What did you even do to it?
Fire going now.
Joe's bedsheet.
Joe's bed sheets on fire. Now they're in bed.
Joey loves it.
Quite warm now.
Great.
It will do something in a minute. That light will end up popping.
Been in there for about 10 seconds.
Told you.
Wow.
Good stuff, that, innit, Joe?
Yeah.
What are you, Eugene?
Good night. Joe's caught set on fire.
3 days.
3 days. Gee, why are you vlogging upside down?
I don't want to go back to my spot because
I'm clearing out my spot.
well, that's my spot.
Sanka, you're dead.
So again, this is my spot. You can move here and
Just woke up.
you'll eat off that now.
Very tired. It's like 6 in the morning. Joe.
Hello. Whoa, what you doing?
Eugene.
I'm moving there because it's warmer.
Oh, I'm looking.
Michael.
Are you stupid?
Got fire going again. What?
Bring that little grey bag.
Mate, I feel homeless.
Look at Joe. Joe, show me your hands.
Slept next to that fire. I'm a bit ashy.
Walking home now, ending the vlog now, like and subscribe.